So that means good morning in Japanese if you don't know. I'm going to do a quick little video of me packing up Miss May because I have to go on a business trip and I want to take her with me. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to bring. I have this Hello Kitty long sleeve onesie because it's one of my favorites. Then I have this little romper, which is super cute. I'm bringing a variety of long sleeve, short sleeve things because I don't know how cold it's gonna be. Then we have this strawberry sleeper. And then I have this little Sweet Dreams onesie, which this might be too small for her, honestly, but just in case. And then I'm bringing this outfit that Sophia was wearing because it's so cute. It's one of my favorites, and then it has matching little pants. And then I just have a variety of diapers. Obviously I'm not going to use them all, but you know, we gotta have our options. And then I have my spray and my brush. And I would like to say, if you guys are on TikTok, please go check out my TikTok. I've been having so much fun with it. I literally posted 6 videos yesterday. Like, it's so, it's so addicting, especially for someone with ADHD, I feel like. Like, I could literally spend all day on TikTok, and before I didn't even, know anything about TikTok. So it's crazy. But, yeah, if you're on TikTok, please check out my channel, I guess. It's the same as my YouTube, We Love Reborns 101. Oh, and then I'm bringing this cinnamon roll blankie because it's so cute. It's one of my favorite blankies. And then this is my bag, my Tokidoki bag. Okay, so let's put in the clothes. And I'm also going to put some more of my stuff in here. Okay, and then let me get Miss May. Here she is. I don't have the boppy for her, but she has her passy on. And then I have this jacket to match her pants. So let me just put that on her real quick. Okay. Oh my goodness, that looks so cute. Alright, she's ready to go. Look how cute she is, guys. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. She's so sweet. Okay. So there she is, and I know this is a really short video, but thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this video was short. Honestly, that's all I have time to make right now. If I don't make videos within the next few days or so, don't worry. I will be back very, very soon making videos. I just have to be on these business trips for some training. So I'm going to try to make videos while I'm doing that, but if I'm not able to, like I said, I will be back very, very soon. I promise. So anyways, that is all. Hopefully I can get some videos with May, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.